mga ka-RC. For today's video, may i-unbox akong isang RC plane. So, ito yung RC plane na pwede sa land, pwede sa tubig, pwede sa grass. So, parang ano siya, 3-in-1. Pwede siya sa land, grass, and water. Pwede siya sa tubig. So, let's take a look sa loob ng box kung anong meron sa loob. So 3-in-1 siya, land, air, and sea or water. 3-in-1, 3 channel, KF603. Yan, KF603 remote controlled glider, surface, driving, air flight. Ayan, Galaxy ship, surface navigation, aerial flight. KFRC, professional RC design. So this is a 3 channel, water takeoff, ground takeoff, 3 channels. So self stabilization, gyro system, 2.4 GHz, EPP foam, high capacity lithium battery, beginner level. Okay, tingnan natin. So ito yung itsura, Galaxy ship. Let's have a look. Alright, user manual. Yan, mamaya babasahin natin yan. So this is the aircraft. Wow. 3 channel siya, may elevator. Nice. So waterproof siya, of course, kasi pwede siya sa tubig. Yung extras, propeller, and then charger, USB charger, and then screwdriver. Tingnan natin yung ano niya, remote, toy grade. Very much toy grade. So very basic, parang kamukha nung ano, yung remote controller ng Predator ko. I guess isang ano lang to, isang company lang yung gumawa, isang manufacturer lang. Anyway, so 3 channel. So this one is up and down lang, throttle, so walang sideways. Ito, yan, spring loaded. Ayan, tingnan natin yung battery. Yung battery bay niya is well secured and I guess waterproof. I believe waterproof. Selyado siya, may screw pa to open the hatch or to open the battery bay. Yun. Ayun, ito yung battery niya. Kaso iba yung connector ng battery niya. So ilang milliamperes to? 800 milliamperes. Ayan, ito 800. Iba yung ano niya, iba yung connector niya. So sadly wala akong ibang ano, wala akong extra battery na ganito yung connector. Meron akong ganitong connector pero 7.4 volts and wala akong adapter. That's the bad news, right? Anyway, okay lang. So ito yung battery bay niya, selyado. Ito yung aircraft, yun. Ito yung pang 3 channel niya. So differential thrust para sa 2 channel niya, throttle and differential thrust, and then elevator. Okay. Oh, may power button siya. Pwede mo siyang i-ano dito, yung power button. Pwede mo siyang i-push dito. Okay. Not bad. Okay. So, i-charge ko siya, then a bit later, i-maiden ko siya. I-test ko. Okay? Please watch out.